Hello everyone, welcome to my channel in NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. In this video, I am going to tell you how to find the coordinate of the point of trisection of the line. So this is the second question of exercise 7.2 of the chapter coordinate geometry from NCERT Mathematics textbook. So the question says find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining these 2 points. Okay, so you can observe here in the question they have given you the 2 points and they are asking you to find the coordinate of the trisection of the point. Okay, so you can observe here in the question they have used the word trisection, right? So what do you mean by trisection? From the word itself, tri is nothing but 3 and section is nothing but the part, right? So this line have been divided into 3 parts. So you can observe here I have just divided this line into 3 parts. I have drawn a line here after joining the point A and B. I have named it randomly of my own. You can name it of your own by using some variable. Now I have just divided this line into 3 parts and I have given the points which divide which divided the line into 3 parts as C and D, right? So you can observe here there are 3 parts now and we need to find the coordinate of this point C and this point D. How are we going to find? We can use section formula. So if I am using the section formula and if I want to find the point C, then let me write here variable C, then x comma y, which is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. If you want, you can find the x coordinate separately, where x will be equals to only this part of the formula and y will be equal to what I am going to write, that is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so y will be equal to this and x will be equal to this part. You can find it separately and at the end you can just put it in this form x comma y, okay, and write in the bracket. Now if I am talking about the point C, from point A, how many parts are there? From point A to C, how many parts of the line are there? Only one part, right? From here to here. Then from C to B, how many part of the line are there? There are 2 parts, CD and DB. Okay, so from here to here you can observe it is 1 part and from here to here it is another, there are 2 parts, right? So what is the ratio you have got? You have got m1 is equals to 1 and m2 is equals to 2. And let me just write the value here x1 y1 and here x2 y2. So let me substitute it. 1 into x2 is how much for us? It is 2. It is actually minus 1, 4 comma minus 1 is there and here we have minus 2 and minus 3. So 1 into x2 is minus 2 plus m2. What is the value of m2? We have 2. x1 is what? x1 is having the value 4 divided by m1 plus m2, which is nothing but 1 plus 2, comma again 1 comma y2 is how much? y2 we have the value minus 3, comma bracket plus m2 is 2, y1 is how much? Minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, so we have got the simple form of the equation. Let us just simplify it further. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 4s are 8 divided by 3, comma 1 into minus 3, it is nothing but minus 3 plus into minus is minus, 2 1s are 2 divided by 3, right? Then what are you going to have here? Minus 2 and plus 8. How much are you getting? 1 is minus, 1 is plus, so you need to subtract and bigger number sign. So it is nothing but 6 by 3, comma, minus 7, minus 3 and minus 2. It is nothing but both are having negative sign. So you will add it and write the bigger number sign. So you are going to get here minus 5 by 3, right? Then what are you going to have then? Here 6 by 3 is nothing but 3, comma, minus 5 by 3. So this is how you will find the coordinate if they have given the ratio of the line. They have not given the directly ratio in this question, but they have said the word trisection. So because of that you have found the ratio. Okay. So now let us find the point D. Now let us find the coordinate of point D actually. So D of x comma y will be equals to, again you need to write the formula. I am just going to follow the same formula here as the space is not much. So again, if I am talking about the point D, now that point D from A, how much part is there? How many parts are there from A to D? There are 2 parts. And from D to B, how many parts are there? There is only 1 part. So for particular point D, for point D, M1 is equals to 2 and M2 is equals to 1. Then we will just substitute here 2 into minus 2 plus, then we have M2 which is equals to 1 into x1. x1 is how much? 4. Right, then we will divide it by 2 plus 1. M1 is 2 and M2 is 1, comma, 2 into y1. y1 is how much? You have minus 3 plus 1 into y1, I mean y2, right? So it is y1, it is nothing but minus 1, and this will be divided by again 2 plus 1, right? So what are you going to have here? 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3, comma, minus 6, minus into plus is minus 1 divided by 3, then minus 4 and plus 4 is 0 by 3, which is equals, then we have this comma, minus 6 and minus 1 is nothing but minus 7 divided by 3. So what are you going to have then? 0 by anything is 0, and this will be minus 7 by 3, right? So you observe that this is the coordinate of the point D, right? So this is how you will find the coordinate of any line if they have said clearly it is a trisection. So your first duty is to find the ratio of that point with respect to the initial and the last point, and then you are going to substitute that in the formula. That's it for today's video. In the next video we will be discussing few more problems on section formula. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.